Hello guys, in this video I will explain you what is grid view and what are the properties in grid view. Grid view is a graphical control element used to show items in tabular form. Grid view widget allows you to place items in 2D array. It means rows and columns. We can select desired item from the grid by tapping on it. This grid view can implement in different constructors like count, builder, custom, extend. Now I am going to explain you what is gridview.count constructor, which is most commonly used grid layout in Flutter. There are different properties we can use in grid view. Let me show you all the properties in grid view. And here I am going to use a property called body. Within that, let me add a widget called gridview.count. In this, we have to give cross-axis count. Let me explain you later. So, in this grid view, I am going to add a property called children. And here we can add a list of widgets like text, images or icons or etc. So, in the square brackets, I am going to add some widgets and let me add a widget called card widget. Okay. Then here I am using a property called elevation. So let me give 10 here and I am going to add color for this. So I am using color properties and colors dot orange, and to add some text I am using a child property within this card. So text widget, within that I am going to add some categories here like men, women, shoes. You can add any type of categories. So I am going to add categories for shopping and I am going to give cross-axis count. It is used to specify the number of columns should be in grid view. So I am using a property called cross-axis count and I am giving 3 here. So let me copy this card and paste it, and I am changing its category to women. So we need more cards, so I am going to copy this and paste it again and copy this again, then paste again. So totally here 8 cards are there. Let me change its categories like kids and shoes and category jewelry. Let me change this to watches. And it is a home needs category. And final, let me change this women to toys. Okay, these are all the cards I am going to add in this grid view count, and also change its color. Change this color to pink and let me add a red color. Let it be orange and change this color to yellow. So that's fine, and let me run this and show you how it will look. So these are all the cards in the grid view count. So we can add different properties for this grid view count. If I change this cross axis count to 4, then you can get 4 columns in this grid view count. So let me change this to 4 and let me save and run this again. So you will get 4 columns. Looks good. So see, if I keep this to 8, which is not looking so good, so let me change this to 4 or 3. That's fine, and let me explain you different properties in it. Now I'm going to use a property called cross axis spacing, which is used to specify the number of pixels space between each child widget listed in the cross axis. So if you see here, the space is only at the cross axis only. If you want space at main axis also, we have different property called main axis spacing, which is used to specify the number of pixel spacing between each child widget listed in the main axis. So let me give 10 here and let me run this. So if you observe, you got space in the cross axis and main axis both. So I'm going to explain you different and very familiar property. So let me copy this and paste it again to get more widgets. So totally here we have more widgets. Let me use a property called scroll direction, which is very common and most used widget in any type of application. So let me use this scroll direction and axis dot. I am going to use vertical. Okay, so save and run this. You will get all these widgets in this grid view count, and if I scroll, so it is scrolling in vertical direction from top to bottom. If I change this to horizontal, okay, then save and run this. So it can be able to scroll in the horizontal direction like we do in our phones. Okay, next I'm going to show you a very important and which is also most commonly used property in any application, padding. So I'm going to use edge inserts dot all. Here I'm going to give 20 points. It will give space. Let me save and run this. So it is used to specify the space around the whole list of widgets. So you can see the space around all the widgets from left to right and top to bottom. So I am going to show you a property called reverse here, and let me enable this to true. It will reverse all the items in opposite direction, so it means along main axis. So let me save and run this. So you can see this will reverse all the widgets within grid view count. Toys comes at the first. Okay, so if you hit control space, you can see different properties which can be used in grid view count widget. So do experiment on each and every property in this grid view.count and explore more. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like to my channel.